Hello, good people. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I do appreciate your support. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you have subscribed to the channel, kindly share, comment, like, and continue to support. So today I'm going to show you on how to be able to delete the empty cells in a very simple way for you to be able on how you can be able not to do it manually. If you want to do it this way, highlighting and deleting, this is totally cumbersome. So there is a way you can be able to do that very fast. So number one, you click on Control A, Control plus A, or Control plus Shift plus 8. Then you are able to highlight the data. Once that is highlighted, then you click on Control plus G. Then you go to Special, select the blank, then click OK. Once you click OK, the empty cells within the data given is highlighted. Once that is highlighted, you click on Control then minus sign. Okay, then it will give you an option if you want to shift the cells left, if you want to shift the cells upwards. Then if you want to delete the entire row, if you want to delete the entire column, so you select column because we want to delete the empty cells. Okay, we are not now populating the empty cells or filling in the data, the missing data, but now we are deleting the empty cells. Okay, so then you click OK. You're good to go. That's it. That's the simplest way on how to delete the missing cell, the cells that are missing the right information, okay, or the empty cells within an Excel database or an Excel maybe or a worksheet that has data and some information are missing. Okay, so try this and let me know. Kindly comment down below, and also don't forget to watch the other video that I did post on how you can be able to populate or fill in the empty cells. Okay, it's up. Continue to support. Thank you.